Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 35 Oak Lane in Brighton.
This is a spectacular English Manor estate. So let's take a tour. Step into luxury in this elegant two-story foyer with an open staircase and hardwood floors, leading to an expansive living room with a beautiful fireplace and garden views.
This designer eat-in kitchen has beautiful white and bright cabinetry with custom molding, granite countertops with a center island, stainless steel appliances, and pegged hardwood floors, leading to a formal dining room with wainscoting, a wall of windows and patio access, plus a spacious family room with built-ins, a beautiful gas fireplace, and a bay window.
This first floor master suite has it all, with a spacious bathroom and bedroom, featuring a custom curved picture window with pool and backyard views. The first floor also features a spacious back hallway with a laundry and powder room, while the lower level has a finished media room great for entertaining.
The upstairs has an elegant landing, leading to 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a den or office.
This property has significant architectural detailing of not only the custom interior, but the stone-like exterior, representative of an English country manor house. This estate-sized lot is landscaped to perfection with English gardens, a slate patio, and a pool. Here we are at the 12 Corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 35 Oak Lane in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!